you are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa yan ang isip ninyo, and it is the almost a sino tatakbo na lang ba? Gusto ninyo na well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako, I've been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulap lang ako niyan. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it. Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? You yan. Of course, ikaw. Sino po? Mayor tayo.
Kaya mo ba yun? Kaya mo ba?
Oh, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Among sa media? Is the media's sentiment now reflect the community ano? Gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin? Sige, magmayon tayo. He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na 73 ako ngayon. I think mga 75, 76. Cancer kasi ako. Makakalayo ng lahat ng tao, bintik. Makakainip pa rin inabot. If it's still pleasure, yes. Ano gusto nang malaman sa akin? Ako totoo yan. Wala tayong pogo. Kaya nga mamatay yung mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drug. That is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pogo. Alam mo maglaro ng pogo? Well, if they will invite me, I just hope that they would ask educated questions. They will vote on legally. Ikukonsulta ko sa mga abogado. Would leave it to the lawyers to hindi ako practicing lawyer. So I would not know the dynamics of what are the rules now. All that I can do is to provide them with. Tutulong talaga ako sa police pati military. Na in the performance of their duty, itataya ko pati ang sarili kong reputasyon.
Tapos ngayon ang Congress mukhang naging investigating body mas kasama ko sa NBI na contempt
ang suggestion ko nga, i-abolish na ng NBI pati police sila, no? That's my suggestion.
Sabi ng NBI, may pwede tatakbo ng senador. Sino kaya? Paulo, Basti, or...
Not me. Hindi ko na kaya sa...
Basti siguro?
I really do not know. Hindi kami nag-uusap eh. Truth to tell, we have yet to sit down at this very late filing na of what we would like things to happen sa aming political life. Ako, I'm ready to retire. Hindi naman ako sa marunong, but maybe the desire to be senator, mayor, o nandiyan, but ang problema ang katawan. May trabaho kasi yan. And if it would entail or require me to travel a lot, physical movement, mukhang hindi ko na. May ano kasi ako, may imbalance. Pera ako sa right pocket, but sa left, hindi it's not even. Wala na ang pera. Makatatakbo ako. Totoo.
We have to say about this of the famous na Rodrigo Duterte na ang iyang tapo na nakaroon sa politika. Rodrigo Duterte nag-file na sa iyang COC for Councilor Omar Duterte. Will he file for congressman in the second district about?
Gusto mo siguro nila ilata na, ihatag na to them. You know, ito adre wala itong ano. Do you know the reason why? It's because we come from a political family. Post-war, basahin ninyo, i-google ninyo, post-war, right after, ang tatay ko, naging mayor na ng, hindi talaga nawala sa politika. Pagdating dito, he served for a few years as a secretary to the board, or provincial secretary, call it, then politics again. So, political family kami.
Correct.
I am not surprised even if I do not want them to, kasi magulo, hindi naman walang kwenta. Pangit naman pakinggan mo. Merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko. Hindi ka naman negosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. Suryo of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable, productive. Hindi ka makaasa dyan sa sweldo. Kailangan ka magnakaw. Ngayon, kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, paano mo nakawin? You falsify, you have to ghost project. Hindi natin kaya yan. Kasayang naman ang iniwan ng tatay ko na ito na abota pa man ni John Ledesma. Kasayang naman yung legacy ng tatay ko tapos sisirain mo na ng ganun. I mean, makinabang pa siguro ang next generation. Apo ko.
President, Mayor, would you like to kasi pagdating ng election sa sabi ng Morales, itatakbo yung Morales.
Sige mo yun. Well, alam mo, modern day, lumipas na yung Almendras, Duterte, Veloso. May bagong crop. There will always be contenders for Paco. You should not begrudge the Morales. They also want the distinct honor of being their public office, congressman, mayor, or whatever. We do not have the monopoly of ambition. Sana yung nag-umpisa ng mayor. Tapos mapunta niya dito. Parang continuity of so yung politika hindi talaga naalis sa buhay namin. At most maybe in all probability ang tatay ko nasa among
Maghuhuling manod sa gawas kasi sa pagpalit ng Islam at pagiging ng grabe sa Duterte. Pag mudagan ka kung mayor, walay mo gratis mudagan ng mayor. Kapag hindi ka mudagan mayor, si Basri kabanan niyo. sa inyo.
Gusto na ko nga file tanan.